Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and if you're looking for a high-vis beanie, this one is definitely truly high-vis. It's not just a regular yellow. It really is easy to see in all types of lighting, and I love so many things about it. It's really long, so if you want to wear it old school, you can wear it a little bit longer on the back, or even wear it a little bit slouchy. I'm always really cold, so I like to have it doubled up nice and thick here. As you can see, it covers my ears really nicely, so now I have this double layer on my ears and I don't have to worry about them getting cold. And it stretches really well, so no matter what size head you have, you're going to be able to fit it. But even if your head's a little bit smaller, it's nice and tight, so it's not falling off even if I move my head around. It's not, sometimes they like sag down and fall off your head, and that's not comfortable either. So if you're looking for a beautifully constructed, nice, warm, high-vis beanie, you're gonna love this one. I really love mine, and that's my point of view.